Hi friends, this is Abdul Razak. Now we are going to install the Adobe PageMaker 7.0. This is desktop publishing software. With the help of this software, we can install, we can design posters, brochures and etc. First of all, we are going to open the target file from our computer. Open PageMaker 7.0. Before going to install, take a serial key from our PageMaker 7.0. Copy this serial key from our PageMaker 7.0. Close serial key, then go to setup file, click on it. The Adobe PageMaker 7.0. Click next. Click next. Again click next. Accept the license agreement. Again click next. Enter our serial key in these blocks. Then click next. Click yes. The process is going on. Click next. Again click next. The Adobe PageMaker 7.0 is installing. Wait few minutes while the software is installing. Click OK. Remove the displayed PageMaker 7.0 readme file. Press OK. Again OK. Now we are successfully installed Adobe PageMaker 7.0. Thank you.